Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. These deals started on Sunday, October 17th, and they are good up until Saturday, October 23rd. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I got. This is actually 2 transactions. So all of the laundry detergents plus the two Downy fabric softeners, all of this plus the Almay is 1 transaction, and then everything that you see right here is another transaction. But I'm going to go ahead and start with my first transaction, which is going to be all of this right here. So in this transaction, you guys, I used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And then I also paired that with a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So the first items we're going to go ahead and start with is going to be the hair care. So with select hair care products this week at Walgreens, when you spend $20, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $10. I grabbed 2 of the Garnier Fructis, the shampoo and conditioner, and then I also grabbed 2 of the Dove hair care shampoo and conditioner. So the Garnier Fructis is priced at 2 for $7, and then the Dove is priced at $4.49, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $4.49, and the second one will ring up half off at $2.24. So $10 for the Tresemme, $7 for the Garnier Fructis, and then $4.49 plus the $2.25 for the Dove. So for all 6 of the hair care products, that will bring your total to $23.73. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Tresemme, a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Garnier, and then a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Dove. So that's a total of $10 in digital coupons that I used. So $23.73 minus the $10 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $13.73. And then I did get back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards because I spent $20, at least $20. So $13.73 minus that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards that I received, that brought my total down to $8.73 for all 6 products, or it makes each item just $1.45, which of course I did not pay that. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed, I know you can't hardly see it, but I grabbed a total of 3 Tide liquid detergents, and then I also grabbed this package of Tide pods. So with the Tide products this week, they are buy 3 and get 1 free, and they are priced at $4.49. So I grabbed 3 of the liquids, 1 of the pods. 3 of them rung up at $4.49. My 4th item did ring up free. I only had 1 digital coupon, and that $1 digital coupon was for the Tide pods. So $4.49 times 3 is $13.47. Minus that $1 digital coupon, it brought my total down to $12.47 for all 4 products, or it makes each item just $3.11. And then I also went ahead and grabbed this Palmolive dish soap, and this is priced at 99 cents. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon, bringing the total down to just 49 cents. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Almay Clear Complexion concealers, and these are on clearance at my store for $4.49 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 register reward. So you're going to want to pick up 2 at $4.49, and that's going to bring your total to $8.98. We do have a 7 off of 2 digital Almay coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8.98 minus that $7 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $1.98. And since I purchased 2, I did receive back my $5 register reward. I don't have it with me, you guys. I think it's in my purse, but I did receive back that $5 register reward, making both of these completely free, plus a $3.02 moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these baby Ruths, and these are priced this week at Walgreens at 2 for $1. So you will grab 2, and that's going to bring your total to $1. IBOTTA has a rebate for 25 cents back. The limit is 5. I purchased 2, so 25 times 2 is 50 cents. So you will pay $1, submit your receipt to IBOTTA for 50 cents, and that will make both of these 50 cents or just 25 cents each. And then this Snuggle right here, I also grabbed this, the Snuggle Exhilarations, the 32 ounce, and that is priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. We do have a digital coupon for $1 back, so you will pay $2.99 minus that $1 digital coupon, and that's going to bring your total down to just $1.99. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have a 50-cent off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then we also have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $2.50 in digital coupons. So $5.98 minus the $2.50 in digital coupons, that will bring your total to $3.48. And then since you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 registry reward, making both completely free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. And then I also grabbed 2 of these Clorox disinfecting wipes, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $5. We do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5 minus that $1 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $4 for both, or it'll make each one just $2. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and just show you all my receipts. So there are both of my Dove products, buy one get one 50% off. So one rung up at $4.49, the second one half off at $2.24. All of my Tide products, 3 rung up at $4.49, and I did get the 4th free. My Garnier Fructis, both at $3.50 each. The Palm Olive at 99 cents, both of my Tresemme at 2 for $10 or $5 each. Both of the Almay on clearance at $4.49, so $8.98. Both Baby Ruths at 2 for $1. The Snuggle at $2.99, both of my Colgate at $2.99, so $5.98, and then both of the Clorox disinfecting wipes at 2 for $5. So this is my paper booster. Get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. As you can see, my $7 digital came off for the Almay, $4 digital for the Tresemme, $3 digital for the Garnier Fructis, $3 digital for the Dove, $2 digital for the Colgate, $1 digital for the Tide Pods, $1 digital for the Snuggle fabric softener, the 50-cent digital for the Colgate, and the 50-cent digital for the Palm Olive. The only digital coupon that did not come off for me was the $1 digital coupon for the Clorox disinfectant wipes, but I did contact customer service and they did go ahead and credit that $1 to my account. So as you can see right here where it says subtotal, it brought my subtotal to $40.14. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash rewards, and I used this by using the pay in store method because I knew that I was using the paper boost to get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So I did do the pay in store method because I wanted to make sure that I got back my Walgreens cash for the digital booster and also my Walgreens cash for the paper booster. So in coupons, you guys, I used a total of $22 in digital coupons. And my highest spend threshold is my digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. I used $22 in registry reward, in coupons. So $50 minus the $22 in coupons that I used already. Well, that left me to have to spend $28 out of pocket in order to reach that $50 threshold so that I will be able to still get back my $10 in Walgreens cash. So my subtotal was $40.14. So I said $40.14 minus the $28 that I still needed to spend out of pocket, and that left me with $12.14. So that $12.14 is what I could use in Walgreens cash to pay, but of course you can't use $12 in Walgreens cash, so that is why I used the $10 in Walgreens cash. And when you look down here where it says earn this visit, I did earn back $24.84. So of that $24, I got back the $5 for the hair care for spending $20. I got back the $8 for spending $35. That was my paper booster. And then I got back the $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $50, and that was my digital booster. And then the rest of the Walgreens cash came from the extra Walgreens points, which total up to $24.84. So $40.14 minus the $24.84 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to just $15.30. Then I got back a total of $9 in registry rewards. I got back my $5 for the Almay and my $4 for the Colgate. So $15.30 minus the $9 in registry rewards, that brought my total down to $6.30. Then I got back that 50 cents from IBOTTA for both of these baby Ruths. So $6.30 minus that 50 cents that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $5.80. Then I got back my $1 from customer service because of my Clorox digital coupon not coming back off. So that brought my total down to $4.80 for all of these items, and this is a total of 20 items. So when you divide that $4.80 by the 20 items, it makes each item just 24 cents. So this was a really good transaction for me, you guys. I am very, very happy with this transaction. To only pay $4.80 for 20 items, that is fantastic. So that's the first transaction, you guys. So let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I grabbed this Almay pen eyeliner. I grabbed another one of the Almay concealers. I grabbed 4 of these Tide Free and Gentle, 2 of the Tide Febreze, and then I grabbed 2 of the Downy fabric softeners. So, of course, with the Tide deal, they are buy 3, get 1 free. The Downy is also included in this deal. So this go round, I went ahead and grabbed 8. Because I had some registry rewards that I wanted to go ahead and use. So with the Almay concealer, again, this is priced on clearance at my store for $4.49. And then the Almay pen eyeliner is priced on clearance at my store for $4.29. So with all of this, I just used my registry rewards, and I had 5 registry rewards that I wanted to use. And then I also paired it with a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So let me go ahead and just show you guys my receipt. So all of my Tide rung up at $4.49, and as you can see, since I purchased 8, they are buy 3 get 1 free. 6 did ring up at $4.49, and then the other two rung up free. And then there is my Almay concealer at $4.49 and my Almay pen eyeliner at $4.29. And right here is my point coupon purchase. That's the paper booster, get $8 when you spend $35. And then the Tide liquid, that is the $1 digital coupon that I had. And then as you guys can see, I used a total of 5 registry rewards. I used 2 $7 registry rewards, 2 $6 registry rewards, and 1 $4 registry rewards. So after using all of that, it brought my subtotal to $4.72, which I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And when you look down here, I got back a total of $8.59. So I am happy with this transaction right here, you guys, because my stock is getting really, really low. So let me just show you guys right quick. So everything that you see right here, here are some bundles right here that I have posted. All of this is currently sold, you guys. I have to deliver this on the 20th. Along with these bundles, I think I have about 3 bundles over here. I have all of these bundles that are sold as well. So my stock has gotten low. And with the new lady that I'm selling to now, she wanted some of this Tide Free and Gentle. So I will also be selling these 4 bottles of the Tide to her as well. So I am in the market to stock up for this because I hardly ever get this Tide. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you have gotten so far this week at Walgreens. And also let me know if any of you have some Almay and Revlon clearance at your store, because this is the perfect time to stock up, get those registry rewards, and then use those registry rewards for items that you don't have coupons for. So again, that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.